Have you ever stepped into a room and immediately felt your entire mood shift for the better? That powerful feeling is often created by color. In this video, we're revealing 12 bedroom paint shades scientifically linked to Boost.com and craft your personal sanctuary. If you dream of a home that actively melts away stress, every idea ahead is for you. Let's begin the color journey. First is sky blue. This gentle tone is known to slow the heart rate and quiet a busy mind, mirroring the expanse of a peaceful sky. To make this color truly sing, combine it with crisp white trim and light wood grains. This pairing creates a fresh, airy space that feels instantly relaxing. Next, discover misty green. This earthy, subdued shade brings the balancing energy of a forest right into your decor. It fosters a refreshing and deeply soothing atmosphere. Misty green looks incredible with natural textures like woven rattan or linen. Adding a few leafy plants will amplify that organic, serene vibe beautifully. In the third spot is lilac. This soft purple hue encourages relaxation and is perfect for crafting a bedroom that feels like a quiet escape. Its gentle presence is ideal for easing tension. Pair lilac with off-whites and delicate grays for a dreamy, elegant look. Consider a subtle lavender scent in the room to deepen the calming effect. Number 4 is driftwood gray. This versatile neutral provides a sophisticated, calming canvas that works with any style. It feels both modern and incredibly restful. To keep it from feeling cold, blend in warm wood tones and plush fabrics. This contrast makes the space feel welcoming and snug. Now, meet warm white. This isn't a stark white. It's a creamy, inviting hue that builds a clean yet deeply cozy environment. To prevent a warm white room from feeling empty, focus on layering different textures. Think chunky knit throws, a soft area rug, and plenty of cushions to create a nest-like comfort. At number 6, we have blush pink. This muted pink offers warmth and a gentle, comforting embrace, perfect for a relaxing hideaway. It promotes a cozy ambience that's hard to leave. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary, not just a space. Blush pink pairs elegantly with brushed gold details or soft charcoal for a layered, sophisticated feel. The 7th calming color is sandy taupe. This warm neutral is a style chameleon, creating a grounded and tranquil setting. It works seamlessly with both cool and warm accent colors. Introduce natural elements like a oak nightstand or a jute rug to enhance its earthy, serene character. Coming up is seafoam. This beautiful blend of blue and green whispers of tranquil shorelines and gentle waves. It's your secret ingredient for a bedroom that feels like a permanent vacation. Pair seafoam with sandy beiges and clean whites for a coastal-inspired look. Add some coral or sea glass accents to complete the peaceful, oceanic theme. Number 9 is pastel mint. This soft, fresh pastel makes any room feel brighter and more open, while still maintaining a cozy feel. It's ideal for sparking joy and calm simultaneously. Color is the silent language of your home. Pastel mint works wonderfully with pale woods and other soft pastel shades. Use it on an accent wall or in your bedding for a subtle but powerful impact. At number 10, we have dusty rose. This hue provides a warm, gentle comfort, creating a softly inviting atmosphere in your personal retreat. It works beautifully with metallic gold for a touch of luxury or with greige for a more understated elegance. Think about adding this color through throw pillows or art to keep the room feeling soft. The 11th shade is terracotta. Light, earthy tones like this create a grounding, secure feeling, making your space feel intimately connected to nature. This color is perfect for anyone wanting to bring the outdoors in. Pair terracotta with olive greens and creamy off-whites for a balanced, harmonious look. Use terracotta pots or a wooden bench to enhance that natural essence. And finally, number 12 is apricot cream. This soft color injects a cheerful warmth and comfort, crafting a happy yet perfectly calm setting. Apricot cream can brighten a room without overwhelming the senses. Pair it with soft grays or clean whites for a fresh, lively aesthetic. You could also use this hue in your artwork or duvet cover to create a cohesive, relaxing theme. There you have it, 12 colors, proven to enhance deep relaxation in your bedroom. Whether you're drawn to serene blues or warm, earthy taupes, these hues will help you build the perfect retreat. Which color are you most excited to try in your own space? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this guide, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to Winds of Thought for more home decor wisdom. Thanks for watching, and may your decorating bring you peace.